As we know, there are three methods to solve the simultaneous linear equations of two variables. The first method is substitution method. Second method is given, that is in the book, elimination method, and third is cross multiplication method. So one by one we will see the steps those are involved in this particular method. Suppose in the first process, substitution method, the first step is take any equation and make x or y as the subject of the formula. Since we are seeing the steps to solve the simultaneous linear equations of two variables, so obviously there will be two equations. Let us consider the equation is 2x minus y equal to 4 and x minus y equal to 2. Now as it is given in the step, take any equation. We have two equations, so we will take any equation. Suppose I am taking equation 2. Take any equation, make x or y as the subject. Now we have this x and y, we will make any one out of these two as the subject. Suppose I am making x, for that we write, since we are using equation number 2, so we will write from 2. Now we are making x as the subject. So what will be the value of x with respect to y? It means x equal to 2 plus y. The value of x in terms of y became 2 plus y. So this value we got from equation number 2. So at the top I wrote from 2, x equal to 2 plus y. In the second step, it is mentioned substitute the value of x in the second equation. We got the value of x from the second equation, so we will keep this value in this equation. So if we keep the value of x there, then what are you getting? 2 into 2 plus y minus y equal to 4, and then I kept the value of x equal to 2 plus y in this equation. So 2 into 2 plus y minus y equal to 4, and find the value of x. So we will calculate this equation to get the value of x. It became 4 plus 2y minus y equal to 4. So this became y equal to 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4, that is 0. We got the value of y. Now in the third step, put the value of y in the equation where x is used as the subject and get the value of x. So in this equation, x is used as the subject because x equal to 2 plus y we have got from equation number 2. So in this equation x is used as the subject. So in this equation we will keep the value of y equal to 0, and we can find out the value of x. How? Suppose this is x plus 2y, so x equal to 2 plus 0. So therefore x equal to 2. In this way we get the value of x and y. How much? X equal to 2 and y equal to 0. This became the solution of the simultaneous linear equations of two variables by substitution method. So here we see there are three steps. In the first step, as these two equations are given in the question, in the first step we will choose any equation and we will make the subject x or y, and we will find out that value. Suppose I have used equation number 2. In this I made x as the subject. So I got the value of x in terms of y. So x equal to 2 plus y. This is equation number 3. We can consider or you don't consider, that doesn't matter. Second step is substitute the value of x in the second equation and find the value of y. So I substituted this value in this equation. We will not use again this equation because we have used this equation. We will keep this value in this equation. So this equation is 2x minus y equal to 4. So at the place of x I kept the value of x, that is 2 plus y, and this minus y equal to 4. So I calculated it and I got the value of y equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Now in the last step, put this value in the equation where x is used as the subject and get the value of y. get the value of x. So in this equation x is used as the subject because x equal to 2 plus y. So in this equation I kept the value of y equal to 0 and I got the value of x. Here x equal to 2 plus 0 because the value of y is 0. So at the place of y I kept 0 and this calculation became x equal to 2. In this way we get the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. So this is the solution of simultaneous linear equations of two variable by substitution method. Now we see the steps of elimination method that is also used to solve the simultaneous linear equations of two variables. In the first step, multiply the two equations by suitable numbers so that the coefficient of any one of the variables in both equations become numerically equal. So there are two equations. Obviously there will be two equations because this is simultaneous. In simultaneous there are two equations. The first equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 7 and second is x minus y equal to 2. Now it is said multiply the two equations by any suitable number. Suppose if we multiply equation number 2 by 3, then how much we are getting? The first equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 7 and we are multiplying equation number 2 by 3, so we will get all the terms will be multiplied by 3, so we get 3x minus 3y equal to 6. We got. Now what is said? So that the coefficient of any one of the variable, so here we are saying the coefficient of variable y, any one of the variables in both equations become numerically equal. In both equations the coefficient of variable y became equal. So we came under this condition. Again I repeat, two equations will be given, so we multiply any equation by the suitable number so that after multiplication the coefficient of the variable in both the equations will be equal. Coefficient of any one variable, suppose I am making the coefficient of y equal, so for that I multiplied equation number 2 by 3. All the terms will be multiplied by 3. We got 3x minus 3y into equal to 6. So in these two equations what are we saying? The variable of coefficient of y in both the equations became equal, that is 3 and 3. Now step 3. At first step 2, add or subtract both equations so that the variable of both the equations will be cancelled. After making the equal coefficient of any variable in both the equations, for that I have multiplied equation number 2 by 3 and I got 2x minus 3y equal to 7, that is equation number 1 I wrote as it was given, and 3 became now, equation number 2 became now 3x minus 3y equal to 6. So all the terms are multiplied by 3. Now what are we saying? This 3y and this 3y both are same. Now it is asked subtract or add. Means why will you subtract or add? To change or to cancel the coefficient, to cancel the variable, with equal coefficient. Here this y has equal coefficient, so we want to cancel it. For that we need here plus sign. So to change this sign into plus, we will subtract this equation from above. In words we say subtracting equation number 2 from 1. So we subtracted equation number 2 from 1. So all the sign or the sign of all the terms of equation number 2 will be changed. Plus will be minus and minus will be plus. Here is plus, it will be minus. So now minus minus cancelled. That was in question step 2. Add or subtract both equations so that the variable of both the equations will be cancelled. These two are cancelled. Now solve the terms, those are left. Solve the terms, those are left, to get the value of another variable. Another variable is x. Now solve this. This is plus 2x minus 3x. So this became minus x equal to 7 minus 6. This became 1. Therefore x equal to, we can say, minus 1. So the value of one variable x came out, that is equal to minus 1. Now in the last step, keep the value of x value of x is minus 1 that we have got from step 3. Keep the value of x in any out of two equations. We have two equations. In any out of these two equations, we will keep the value of x to get the value of y. So for that, I have selected here equation number 2. In this equation, I will keep the value of x, and that will give us the value of y. So equation number 2 is x minus y equal to 2. Here I kept the value of x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 minus y equal to 2. So minus y equal to minus 1 will go that side. 2 plus 1 minus y equal to 3. So y equal to minus 3. In this way we get the value of x and y. X equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 3. These were the steps of elimination method.